Okay, tonight we're just gonna be playing, so let's see how it turns out. The colors I will be using are... Okay, so I'm gonna use my concocted fluorescent orange copper gold, my concocted icy blue. Both are made from Deco Arts Extreme Sheens. We've got Folk Arts Neon Purple, then my Liquitex Neon Pink, Liquitex Neon Yellow, Liquitex Neon Orange, and then my favorites, this little Piggy Pigments. We've got Inferno, which is the fluorescent red, and then this little Piggy Interference Sequin. So my pillow paint, or base, it's the base paint, I use Glidden Premium from Home Depot in base 1 and Satin. Alright, this is a 14 by 14 Michael's canvas, nothing special. So annoying, oh yeah. Okay, let's spread it out. It's so cool. Okay. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I'm gonna add some Jo Sonja to that. This one's still pretty good. Jesus, these things are just falling out of here left and right. Okay. Myself here. This is probably a turn out for Apple. I'm trying to get canvas. I think I'll go with pink. Gotta balance out that pattern. Okay, so here I'm waiting for those cells to develop. So it does take a minute, but I'm going to speed it up because, yeah, let's speed this up. And now I have busted out the Amsterdam turquoise green cell activator. So actually it turned out pretty cool. I didn't use much of it. I only really used it to add some like depth. But yeah, I like it. Alright, let's do this. And now the reveal. Dun dun dun!